Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Kuparkar. Very happy Diwali to all of you, and we are here with our new set of Gadwal sarees today. I'll be showing two videos and beautiful Gadwal sarees, new combinations, stunning borders, designs, butta, everything. So let's begin with the first saree. The first one is a beautiful orangish yellow color. It's definitely not orange, it's orangish yellow. अतिशय सुंदर असा हापूस आंबा कलर म्हणता येईल असा कलर आहे. खूप सुंदर साडी आहे. एकदम रॉयल अशी बॉर्डर आहे. वरची बॉर्डर छोटी आहे, खालची बॉर्डर थोडी मोठी आहे. द अपर बॉर्डर इज स्लाइटली नॅरो. It has beautiful temple design on it, and the lower border is more elaborate. Okay, I'll just come close and show you all the butta. This saree has golden and silver butta. Okay, if you can see, there are both zari buttas on the saree. This is how the borders will look together. Okay, and this is the stunning saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. This is the gorgeous pallu. Okay, the price range of today's sarees is 18,000 to 22,000 roughly. That's the price range. Now this is the next one, a magnificent black gadwal. This one has a plain mango yellow colored border. Very stunning. This piece is not a very typical traditional gadwal. It's slightly different because of the plain borders. Every butta is highlighted with this beautiful orange yellow colored thread. Okay, very beautiful saree. Remember, all these sarees are pure silk handloom gadwals, beautifully woven. This is the royal pallu. Okay, I'll just show you the pallu nicely. All these sarees, most of the gadwals have contrast blouse pieces. We are showing gadwals in rolls. That's how they traditionally come from weavers. That's the reason I'm not opening each and every roll. So if you like a particular saree, we can definitely send you photos of the blouse piece or tell you which color blouse piece it is. Okay, I hope you've taken a screenshot by now. I'm moving on to the next saree. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next is beautiful gadwal with elaborate borders. Okay, this is the next one. Now this color is looking red in the video as per my team, and it is actually a beautiful maroon color. It's definitely not red. We'll try and edit it slightly so that you all can see the color nicely. Ekda light band kar. Okay, yeah, this is how the color is. It's a deep reddish maroon color with a beautiful lime green border on both sides. Very beautiful border. I'll just come close and show you the butta. I'll just show you the saree closely also. You will see these kind of irregularities in the saree, thread marks in the saree here and there. Okay, these are very common in handloom sarees, so don't worry. That does not mean that these sarees are defective. These sarees are just irregularities of handloom. Okay, so this is the saree and this is the grand pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, the price of this saree is 22,000. Like I said, the price range is 18,000 to 22,000. Now this is the next one, a stunning sunshine yellow with a deep maroon colored border. I don't know whether to call this maroon or brown, but it's a maroonish brown color. Very beautiful color. This way color barabar, and it has a very elaborate border. This is the border. Beautiful saree, and this is the pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Yellow gadwals are the fastest moving gadwals, I think, here at Pratha, so I'm sure this saree is not going to last long. Now this is the next one, a beautiful fuchsia pink. It's a bright peachish pink colored saree with very delicate butta in golden and silver zari with delicate borders on both sides. Very beautiful, and this is in teal blue color. I think this is teal blue color. It's a deep shade of Firozi blue, a very interesting one. And just look at how delicate the border design is. Very pretty. These two lines that you see, the design lines, you will see only one of them here in the top border, and the bottom border you will see two. beautiful design, elaborate temple design at its border, and this is the lovely pallu. Okay, if you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next saree. The next is a magenta purple. Beautiful color. This color you see more commonly in Paithanis than in Gadhwals, if you ask me. This one is interesting because it has a plain zari border in parrot green kind of a color. It's not too bright. It's a subtle parrot green with a nice elaborate peacock butta. This is how the borders will look together. Okay, and this is the grand pallu. So the pallu is not plain. It has very elaborate zari weaving all over the pallu. This is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is my favorite in this set of Gadhwals today. I think this is my favorite in this video. A beautiful, beautiful coral red color. असा orangish red color आहे. खूप सुंदर color आहे. Light बंद कर एकदा. दोन्ही lights मध्ये बघ. Better in this? Yeah. So it's not orange. This color is not orange. It's a beautiful orangish red color. Coral red म्हणू शकतो आपण. पोळ्याचा लाल रंग असतो तसा कलर आहे. It has a very beautiful butta highlighted with green and a beautiful fresh yellow border. Now this combination is very different. It's very unique. You usually get to see dark green, emerald green, purple, blue, Firozi blue with this kind of a red color, but this red with yellow is a very, very enchanting combination. Beautiful one. This is the stunning pallu. Okay, the price of this saree is 19,000. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the last saree of this video. The last one is beautiful checkered Gadhwal. This is emerald green with pink colored silk checks all over the saree. This type silk checks. They are so fine, the silk checks are so fine that from a distance you might not be able to see those checks. It has delicate butta all over it. Okay, this is how the borders look together, and this is the stunning pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this saree is again 19,000. This one has butta plus silk checks on it with a kadiyal border in ruby pink color, which ends in this beautiful peach towards the end. This is the saree. This is the end of our video number 1. I am coming up with one more video with stunning Gadhwals. Stay tuned. Thank you.